Developing now, a man accused of killing a mother and her son in a murder-for-hire plot is allowed to withdraw his guilty plea. It's because Virginia abolished the death penalty. It's a first for Virginia Beach Circuit Court and potentially the Commonwealth. Richard Stoner previously testified that Christopher Schmidt hired him to kill Schmidt's wife Lois and her 7-year-old son back in 2004. Investigative reporter Evan Watson explains how the change of law is affecting the criminal cases of both men.
With a plea off the table, prosecutors will likely seek a jury trial for Richard Stoner. A judge may decide on Friday if prosecutors can use Stoner's testimony from 2018 in Christopher Schmidt's upcoming trial.
Richard Stoner originally pleaded guilty in part to avoid getting the death penalty. Now that there's no death penalty in Virginia, a judge ruled the plea agreement contract is invalid, and he allowed Stoner to withdraw his plea. It's the first case like this in Virginia Beach, and Stoner's attorney Matt Morris says it could lead to similar cases across the Commonwealth.
I do think that this case does have a possibility to set a precedent going forward on how cases that are similar to this should be handled.
Officers arrested Stoner and Schmidt in 2018, 14 years after the murders of Lois Schmidt and Jonathan Vetrano. Stoner testified that Schmidt asked him to kill his wife and her son, saying the Schmidts were in the middle of a divorce and fighting over custody of their 1-year-old daughter. Stoner, an Army veteran, also testified that he shot Lois's brother, killed a dog, and set their Virginia Beach house on fire. At Stoner's hearing today, prosecutors said they were in a lose-lose situation, as they can't seek the death penalty and can't force Stoner to give testimony at Schmidt's upcoming trial. Schmidt's attorney James Broccoletti argued the withdrawal of Stoner's guilty plea means his testimony is unreliable.
And I think undermines even further his credibility with respect to his preliminary hearing testimony.
Christopher Schmidt's trial is set for September 27th. In Virginia Beach, Evan Watson reporting for 13 News Now.
Death penalty in Virginia was officially abolished on July 1st. A spokesperson for the Virginia Beach Commonwealth's Attorney's Office says she doesn't know of any other death penalty cases pending in Virginia Beach, so today's ruling is likely a unique decision.